That is a big L for Billboard Philippines, but a giant W for the girls. 2, 3, mabuhay! Hey folks, how's it going? How are you today? Yes, we are back with some BINI today, and this has been a hot topic. I started a small poll over in the Discord, and I was asking for 3 different videos that I should make, and this one actually got chosen by most of the people. Something happened at the Billboard Philippines main stage during their performance somehow. All I know is I read that out of the Discord conversation that somehow the music stopped and the girls kept on singing and the Blooms joined them. That's about all I got. It sounds cool. I mean, we all know the girls are capable of doing that, so I'm not really surprised, but I think it was quite a shock for the girls at that moment. So yeah, I'm all here for it. Let's take a look at this. Cherry on Top and Pantropiko, 2 absolutely great songs. Pantropiko has a special place in my heart because yes, that was my entry song to the girls. So yes, here we are. Let's take a look at this. Before we dive in, you know all the things I'm going to say now. So yeah, let's just do this. This is going to be good. But yeah, do hop on over to my Discord. It is freaking fun. It is crazy over there. Yes, let's do this. BINI on the Billboard main stage. Let's see what this is. What happened here? Okay. Do we have enough? No, we don't have enough. I never have enough volume. I'm sorry. We're gonna go back again. We always need the girls in full volume. Oh yes, and one thing, I'm sorry, one thing I want to show you. I want to show you one thing. I already there we go. Please stay on. Please stay turned on. There we go. I already have Aya with her outfit as my screen background here. Yes, just wanted to show that. So let's do this. It stopped immediately. We just heard a boom. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. Can I just say the outfits look absolutely stunning? Colette in that green, Joanna with that diagonal white. Oh my god, Stacy, Mika, they all look absolutely gorgeous. What? Okay, what is going now? The music starts again at the wrong time. Oh my god. Total chaos. And that actually happened on the main stage. That is a big L for Billboard Philippines. But a giant W for the girls to just do this. They are pros. I love them. Wow. I need that again. I'm sorry. We're going to listen to it now without pausing. It's your birthday on repeat, birthday on repeat. So cool. Right there, they proved that they are the pros, the queens, the nation's goddesses, actually. That is what you call catching the ball and making a three-pointer from the other side of the field. This is insane. This is great. Oh yes, girl. You can deny. Wow. This is so good. So good. I am loving Stacy's boots. They look so good. These oversized whatever it is. My goodness. And Sheena. Holy, holy Mother of God. Wow. Oh, yes. 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 Sheena knows. Sheena is smiling. She's freaking proud of herself. She knows this is exactly the moment. It is for them, it is good that it happened and that they showed their professionalism. Sheena's feeding off of that energy right now. They all are. You can just see Stacy's freaking happy. Colette is a little pissed. Malloy is in thoughts, but yes, really nice. Go, girls. Wow. Walking with you through silence. My God, Gwen. Oh. Oh, shucks. Yes, oh, shucks. From this moment on, when that happened and the music came back on and they can start, this is for them, this is not just a 2-song performance. They made it their concert now. They said, without saying it, they communicated with their hive mind that, girls, we are going to freaking rock this stage now. This is cool. Yes. 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 So good. Raise your fists in the air. That was a giant W right there. Wow. Absolutely amazing. They slayed that. They slayed that stage. Wow. Big W there. Big W. And whoever messed up, I would like to hear that guy's boss talking to him now. No, but really, for the girls, this was a W. This just showed the professionalism, the way they can overcome problems in an instant without even, stepping off of the path for a second. They did so well. They did so well. From the first moment when the music went off, they were sure to just keep on going. They would have done both songs a cappella, just with the Blooms singing with them. They would have done that. Amazing. Yeah, this was really, really good. Loved it. Wow. Folks, this was a short one. Well, 12, 13 minutes. It's okay. Nevertheless, it was good. Thank you all for sticking around. Thank you for being here. Maraming salamat po. You guys are awesome. I am learning word for word every day, more words in Tagalog, and I am actually really happy to start to understand single words out of a conversation. Over on Discord, people are helping me so much, and I am. The nice thing is we've opened up a channel there that's called Teach Me Tagalog. We've got a voice chat, Teach Me Tagalog, and there is even one Teach Me Bisaya. I can go there. I can just ask, hey folks, can I say it like this and this and this? And then immediately people answer, no, you should say it like this. Or, hey, yeah, that's absolutely correct. Try this. Use this word instead. It is so good. I am so thankful for that community. Everybody over there, everybody watching me now is awesome. And those over on Discord who are somehow constantly online, chatting, having fun with each other, building friendships there. It really is amazing. Many thanks. Many thanks, folks. Yeah. You guys take care, stay safe, stay hydrated. And as I always say, sarangge annyeong, until the next time.